Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Though it's not winter yet, we can start sowing the seeds of winter flowering plants from August end onwards. Here is a big list of 50 winter flowering plants that we can start from the seeds. I have grown all these plants myself from the seeds and thought to prepare this list. The list is really huge, so I am not going to talk too much about the plants in this video. In case I want to do, the video is going to be more than 1 hour. So you are going to find the name of the plant on the left side of the screen. At any time, if you need more info, please go to my channel and check out the detailed video on that plant. Let's start the video now.